Gear up for 2025 with the ultimate tactical and survival essentials. This curated list is packed with military-grade gear designed for serious adventurers, preppers, and outdoor enthusiasts. Each item is built to outperform in demanding conditions, ensuring you're prepared for anything. Get ready to upgrade your kit with the best tools on the market. All mentioned links in the description. Get comfortable, because here we go. Number 15. ILM Open Face Helmet. This DOT-certified piece of headgear offers robust, tactical-grade protection for demanding off-road use. The strong ABS shell is surprisingly lightweight, while multiple cooling vents and a quick-release buckle ensure comfort and convenience. Its versatile design includes a detachable sun shield and chin guard, making it a perfect, adaptable choice for ATV, riding, motocross, and various outdoor operations where durability and readiness are absolutely essential for mission success. Number 14. Kelty Redwing Traveler Backpack. Your go-to for daily commutes or extended expeditions, this pack opens fully for effortless packing and organization. A protective laptop sleeve, foldable hip belt, and supportive internal frame provide comfort and security for long journeys. Constructed from durable polyester and offered in multiple sizes, it's backed by a lifetime warranty. This bag is an incredibly reliable partner, intelligently designed to carry and protect all of your essential gear on any adventure. Number 13. IDOGEAR G3 Men's Combat Shirt. Engineered for superior performance, this piece of tactical apparel blends professional features with rugged durability. The Teflon-coated, four-way stretch ripstop fabric offers excellent mobility and helps reduce your visual and IR signature. Its design includes concealed elbow pads, adjustable cuffs, and military-grade hook and loop for patches. Ideal for airsoft, hunting, or professional training, it provides outstanding comfort and protection for a wide range of high-intensity outdoor and tactical activities. Number 12. K-Bar 1220 Army Knife. A legendary full-tang tool, originally designed for the U.S. Army, built for extreme reliability. It features a robust 7-inch blade made from high-carbon steel with the official Army Tang stamp, ensuring exceptional durability. This ambidextrous essential comes complete with a classic leather sheath for safe carry. It's a timeless, trusted companion built to handle the toughest tasks, from survival situations and hunting trips to general utility work in the most demanding conditions. Number 11. VIIDOO Tactical MOLLE IFAK Pouch. A compact, high-capacity medical bag built for emergency situations. Constructed from tough, water-resistant 900D polyester, it organizes all your first aid supplies in multiple accessible compartments. The rapid tearaway design and silent zipper pulls allow for instant access during critical moments. With its secure MOLLE attachment system, it can be firmly mounted to vests or belts, making this an essential piece of gear for any outdoor adventure or tactical mission where preparedness is key. Number 10. KEMIMOTO Microfiber Protective Gloves. This tactical handwear offers optimal defense and dexterity for a variety of demanding tasks. The reinforced microfiber construction shields from abrasions, impacts, and the elements. 3 touchscreen-compatible fingertips let you operate devices without removal, while the anti-slip palm and ventilation holes ensure a firm grip and cool, dry comfort. They are essential for motorcycling, paintball, and security work, providing reliable performance where hand protection and precision are absolutely crucial for success and safety. Number 9. Sunkoon Survival Shovel and Axe Kit. A comprehensive all-in-one tool built for extreme outdoor and emergency scenarios. The set includes a high-carbon steel shovel, a stainless steel axe, a saw, a fire starter, and several other critical attachments. Its military-grade aluminum handle is extendable and foldable for compact, portable carry. This versatile and robust implement is perfectly suited for camping, vehicle recovery, and any survival situation where having a reliable, multifunctional tool can make the critical difference in the outcome. Number 8. YAKEDA MOLLE Outdoor Vest. This durable and versatile platform is designed for carrying your essential tactical gear with ease. Made from lightweight 1000D polyester, it is both tear-resistant and remarkably strong. The design features a quick-release buckle system for fast wearing and removal, and it is fully adjustable for a secure, comfortable fit. With extensive MOLLE webbing throughout, it allows for complete modular customization, making it ideal for hiking, military training, and a wide range of demanding outdoor operations. Number 7. BLAVOR Solar Charger Power Bank. A rugged, reliable power source for all your outdoor adventures. It supports fast USB-C charging for 3 devices simultaneously and offers the convenience of wireless charging. The integrated high-capacity battery can be recharged via solar power, and the tough, shock-resistant case provides protection from the elements. The built-in dual flashlights offer powerful illumination, making this piece of kit an indispensable tool for camping, hiking, and any situation where emergency preparedness is a top priority. Number 6. Coast Slayer Flashlight. A powerful illumination tool featuring a brilliant 1000 lumen LED and an integrated 650 Nm red laser for versatile use. It offers 4 distinct light modes and a magnetic base for complete hands-free functionality on any metal surface. Constructed from durable aluminum and featuring convenient USB-C rechargeability, this versatile device is built for reliability in any situation, from search and rescue operations to everyday carry, all backed by a robust lifetime warranty for peace of mind. Number 5. CQR Men's Tactical Pants. Engineered for the demands of military, law enforcement, and serious outdoor enthusiasts, these bottoms are both functional and comfortable. The durable polyester and cotton ripstop fabric is breathable, water-resistant, and stain-resistant. An elastic waistband ensures a secure fit and full freedom of movement, while the multi-purpose cargo pockets provide ample storage. They combine rugged durability with everyday comfort, making you mission-ready for patrols, hiking, hunting, and any demanding field operation. Number 4. ANKAKA Tactical Self-Defense Pen. A discreet and powerful everyday carry item machined from ultra-strong aircraft aluminum. It functions perfectly as a smooth writing ballpoint while incorporating a self-defense tip for personal protection. This multifunctional device also includes a bright LED flashlight and other built-in tools. Compact and low profile, it is designed for practical utility and safety, making it an ideal companion for tactical professionals and anyone seeking a capable and unassuming piece of gear for their daily loadout. Number 3. Casio AE Digital Watch. A supremely durable and functional timepiece built for precision in any environment. Powered by a 10-year battery and water-resistant up to 100 meters, it ensures reliable performance on any mission or adventure. Its comprehensive features include dual time display, a 1/100th of a second stopwatch, a 24-hour countdown timer, and 5 daily alarms. This lightweight, tough, and comfortable accessory is the perfect tool for outdoor survival, tactical operations, and any situation where precise timing is absolutely critical for success. Number 2. Retevis RT22 Two-Way Radio. A compact and reliable communication device designed for clear, license-free use. It is USB-C rechargeable, offering up to 10 hours of operation, and features a powerful speaker for crisp audio. The rugged build, simple controls, and convenient belt clip make it perfect for family outings, outdoor adventures, and team coordination. This unit provides an essential communication link when you need it most, ensuring your team stays connected in a wide variety of situations and environments. Number 1. Creative X P Digital Night Vision Monocular. This powerful optical device provides complete visibility in total darkness with its powerful no-glow infrared illuminator. It offers 5x optical and 8x digital zoom to clearly identify targets at distances up to 1,640 feet. With up to 6 hours of battery life per charge and standard tripod mounting capability, this rugged and ready-to-deploy tool is ideal for covert surveillance, wildlife observation, and serious nighttime tactical operations for military and law enforcement professionals in the field. That wraps up our top 15 tactical and survival essentials for 2025. Let us know your favorite in the comments. If you enjoyed, please support the channel by liking this video, subscribing for more content, and hitting the bell icon so you never miss our latest informative videos. Thank you for watching.